Let's clean the house. First, let's make the bed. Drag the sheets up. Good job! Drag the pillow onto the bed. Super! Drag the teddy bears onto the bed. Well done! Super! Next, let's help Cowie vacuum the room. Drag the vacuum cleaner to clean the floor. Super! Now we are going to clean the window. Nice job! Drag the cloth to the window to wipe off the foam. Super! Let's get the room ready for the party. Super! Well done! Super! Drag the cake to its place. Well done! What a great party!